What the hell is the attorney review period? I get that question a lot. This is Todd Phillips from eXp Realty, and I'm from Northern New Jersey, and I'm here to answer your questions. Okay. In most places, the last thing that you do before you purchase a home is sign the contract. But not here. New Jersey is one of a handful of places where the contracts are signed before the attorney sees them. Now, if you understand this ahead of time, we can avoid any confusion and undue stress about this part of the buying process. Because the attorney review period is just like it sounds. Your attorney reviews the contract to protect your interests. And the contract is not final and binding until both attorneys say so. I can't explain how we got here. It's before my time. But it is the way that residential real estate is done in Northern New Jersey. Now, attorney review begins when the buyer and sellers have signed or executed copies of the contracts in their hands. Now, according to the contract, attorney review is at least 3 business days. However, attorneys can shorten or lengthen that as necessary. Figure for you, it'll take about a week, but that could be and should be faster in a fast-moving market. Why? Because unless otherwise agreed, the seller may continue to show the home and entertain other offers until the attorney review period has completed. Also note that either party can back out at any time during the attorney review period without reason and without financial penalty. Okay, so back to the attorneys. Once they get their hands on signed contracts, the first thing that most attorneys will do is email the other side a note or an amendment that they represent you and that they will disapprove of the contract in its current state and that their changes will follow. And that's where you come in. The second thing most attorneys will do is discuss with you any approvals or disapprovals or concerns that you may have with the terms or the conditions or the language of your contract. Now, your attorney gathers all this info and sends it back in a rider or an addendum to the contract. Attorney review is concluded when both sides agree on these details and the wording of the contract or rider or addendum. Then we move on to the next steps: appraisal, deposit, home inspections, and mortgage commitment. We'll get to that some other time.